What if I told you that just by putting one simple thing in your mouth every morning, your testosterone could skyrocket by nearly 200%? Sounds crazy, right? But according to urologists and hormonal health experts, this one dietary addition could completely transform your energy, muscle growth, libido, and overall vitality. Before I reveal what it is, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our community here at Dr. Kayla Health Tips, where we uncover science-backed ways to boost your health naturally and effectively. All right, let's get straight into it. First, let's understand what's really happening inside your body. After the age of 30, men lose about 1% of their testosterone every single year. That means by age 50, you could be down by 20% or more, and it shows. Low energy, slower metabolism, loss of muscle, sleep problems, even a foggy mind. Doctors call this andropause. It's like the male version of menopause. But unlike menopause, it's not sudden. It's slow, silent, and sneaky. And the biggest factor behind it isn't just age. It's nutrient deficiency and oxidative stress. Your body needs specific vitamins, minerals, and amino acids to make testosterone. Without them, your brain stops signaling your testes to produce enough of it. That's where the secret ingredient comes in. So what should you actually put in your mouth to make your testosterone explode? The answer: zinc-rich foods and tongue-absorbable magnesium. Let me explain why. Zinc is the #1 mineral linked directly to testosterone production. Your body doesn't store it, meaning you have to get it daily. Zinc helps your brain release luteinizing hormone, which tells your testicles to make more testosterone. Now here's the cool part. When you take zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, or oysters, and let them linger slightly in your mouth before swallowing, the absorption through your oral mucosa can trigger a faster hormonal response. That's why urologists often recommend zinc lozenges or sublingual magnesium. They get absorbed directly into your bloodstream through your mouth tissues, bypassing digestion delays. So yes, putting this in your mouth, meaning minerals like zinc and magnesium absorbed orally, can cause your testosterone to explode naturally. In one study published in the Journal of Exercise Physiology, athletes who took just 30 milliliters of zinc daily for 4 weeks saw up to a 93% increase in free testosterone levels compared to those who didn't. Another clinical trial showed that men with low zinc levels had up to 199% higher testosterone after correcting the deficiency for 6 weeks. Magnesium works synergistically with zinc. It reduces SHBG, a protein that binds testosterone and makes it inactive. That means magnesium frees up your total testosterone so your body can actually use it. And when absorbed orally, these minerals act much faster. That's why sublingual supplements, the ones you put under your tongue, are becoming a urologist's secret weapon for boosting T levels without injections or pills. So, what can you actually eat or put in your mouth daily to make this work? Here's your testosterone-boosting grocery list approved by urologists. Sandy oysters, hosting nature's highest source of zinc. Just 6 oysters meet your daily need. 2. Pumpkin seeds. Easy to snack on, loaded with zinc and magnesium. 3. Dark chocolate, 95% cocoa, rich in antioxidants and minerals that protect testicular cells. 4. Egg yolks, contain cholesterol, which is actually a building block of testosterone. 5. Ginger, boosts luteinizing hormone and sperm health. 6. Avocados, packed with healthy fats and vitamin B6 to support hormone balance. 7. Bananas, contain bromelain enzyme that supports testosterone production. Try this. Make a testosterone smoothie every morning. 1 banana, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, half an avocado, a small piece of dark chocolate, and a sprinkle of ginger powder. Blend it up. Let each sip sit briefly in your mouth before swallowing. That small habit increases oral mineral absorption. Now just eating the right foods isn't enough. You've got to combine it with lifestyle habits that keep your testosterone high. Here's what urologists recommend. And sleep 7-8 hours. Testosterone is made during REM sleep. You lift weights 3 to 4 times a week, especially compound exercises like squats and deadlifts. Avoid excess sugar and alcohol. They lower your body's zinc and magnesium levels. Manage stress. Cortisol kills testosterone. Meditation or cold showers can help. I get sunlight. Vitamin D works like a hormone and enhances testosterone production. Every one of these habits stacks on top of your diet to multiply your results. Let's clear up a few myths people often fall for. You need testosterone injections to see results. No, natural optimization can work incredibly well for men with mild or moderate low T. Our protein shakes boost testosterone. Not directly, it's the micronutrients, zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, that do the real work. That only older men need to worry about testosterone. Not true. Even men in their 20s are seeing drops because of stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep. Here's a fun challenge you can start today. For 30 days, every morning, consume one of these foods, preferably zinc or magnesium rich, and let it stay in your mouth for 10-15 seconds before swallowing. Track how you feel, your energy levels, your mood, your muscle strength, even your morning drive. You'll be amazed. Many men report noticeable improvements in just 2 to 3 weeks. If you want to go the extra mile, pair it with a multivitamin that includes zinc, and magnesium, vitamin D3. So remember this. If you want your testosterone to explode naturally, stop looking for quick fixes or risky pills. Instead, nourish your body with the minerals it craves, because sometimes all it takes is what you put in your mouth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Dr. Kayla Health Tips, where we share real, science-backed health strategies every week to help you live stronger, longer, and more confident. Stay healthy, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next one.